Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Ford Fusion door with a dead battery. First, grab your key fob. Look for a small button or latch on its side or bottom. Press this button firmly, and a hidden mechanical key will pop out. Gently pull this key all the way out of the fob. This is your essential tool for gaining entry when your car's battery is completely dead. Now that you have the mechanical key, head to the driver's side door. On many Ford Fusion models, the keyhole is cleverly concealed behind a small cap on the door handle. Gently pry off this cap, or look for a small slot to insert the key directly. Insert the mechanical key fully and turn it clockwise. You should hear a click as the door unlocks manually. With the driver's door now open, get inside your Ford Fusion. Look for the hood release latch, which is usually found on the lower left side of the dashboard, near your left knee. Pull this lever firmly until you hear the hood pop open. Then, walk to the front of your car and fully lift the hood. You might need to find a secondary latch under the hood's edge to fully release it. With the hood open, you can now access the battery or the remote jumpstart terminals. On some Ford Fusion models, the battery is directly under the hood, while others have remote terminals for easier access. Connect a portable jump starter or jumper cables to these terminals. This will supply enough temporary power to unlock all the doors using your key fob or even jumpstart the vehicle if needed.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.